Hey, good afternoon from Eastern North Carolina. This is Andy.farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm going to do a video walkthrough on this 320 Sundancer. This is the outboard powered model. Boat is kept here at the owner's dock. As you can tell, it's equipped with two Mercury 350 horsepower Verado engines. Roughly 110 hours of use on them. Come around here to the port side. Got the sunshade out, which is an option. Stainless rails, just nice shade in the summertime. We've got a pretty day here today, and that shade's nice. Got a ton of storage in these two transom lockers. You got storage for fenders, your hoses, and the stuff that you need when you're leaving your home docks, fender storage, and so on and so forth. Stepping on board, you've got this huge L-shaped lounge, storage underneath. This cushion underneath has a carry-on cooler, so you can pack a lunch, pack your drinks, bring it on the boat, have a designated place to store the cooler. Got life jacket storage underneath both of those, and then just a ton of storage underneath there as well. The seat slides forward, so when you're underway, you can face forward. When you're anchored up or hanging out entertaining in the cockpit, you can face aft. Nice little jump seat there. This boat is equipped with the optional cockpit air conditioner. There's your controls for it. There's a vent and another vent there. Really nice refrigerator, so you can keep stuff cool while you're underway here in the cockpit. Wet bar. Here's your hot and cold shower when you enter the transom. Flipping up here, you got a nice grill. Rod holders on either side. Coming up, stainless is in good shape. Does have the full enclosure. We still have nice weather here. Mooring covers on the boat when I got here. Full electronics package on this boat. So we got two nice size screens. I've got it pulled up with my engine controls to the port side, and over the starboard side I've got the radar going. This boat does have the joystick piloting. That's going to give you the skyhook option, so you're pulling up to the dock and need to get your dock lines and fenders out. You can hit that button and it'll hold it in place. Also has autopilot through that. Same controls, and this boat does have the active trim on it as well. So you push the button and it's going to adjust your motors to the proper trim. Trim tabs there. Depth sounder, so that's going to pull up your bottom. You can tell we're sitting in about 4 feet of water here. This is slip fusion stereo. That's also controlled up here. Can run the volume up and down on my touchscreen displays. So very, very, very nice electronic dashboard up there. All glass dash, no analog gauges, anything like that. Got a couple controls over here. USB 12-volt charger. Does have a Simrad VHF radio. Scrolling around towards the back, just another panoramic for you. Got cockpit table in there, storage for it. Coming up to the bow, you've got a door here that separates this area if you're underway and just want to keep the wind off. And then a place for 3 people to stretch out, lounge, take your feet up, prop your feet up, anchor windlass. All your controls are there. Stereo speakers. Very nice area to come up here and entertain and utilize all your area on this 32-foot boat. So there's another cockpit shot. Scrolling around. Sea deck throughout. Feels really good on my bare feet today. Let's pop down in the cabin and have a look around. Got it set up with there's your berth forward. There's also a triangle shaped table that pops up and makes out a dinette if you prefer. Cushions are in great shape. Got good natural light through these two side windows. And then aft, So you've got 2 single beds, or you can slide them together to make this entire area a berth, which is, you can tell the way that I've got it set up now, you've got storage on either side. And nice large sleeping area. Check out the floors on this boat. You got carpet in that aft berth, and then the synthetic wood throughout, grayish color, beautiful interior. Coming into the head, got vacuum flush system, tile floor, composite counter, really well done. Let's pop up one more quick walk around up top while I've got you. Appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Guys, this is a very, very nice 320 Sun Dancer. If you're in the market for an outboard powered dancer, this is one you should strongly consider. The owner is meticulous and spends as much time taking care of it as he does using it, if not more. It's a clean boat. Call us here in the Carolinas, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video today.